Want to create screen recordings and video messages without spending any money? Loom offers a free plan that gives you access to many of its most useful recording and sharing features. In this guide, I'll show you how to use Loom for free in 2026. First, visit the Loom website and create a free account using your email address or one of the available sign-in options. Once your account is ready, you'll be able to access Loom's recording tools. After signing in, explore the features included with the free plan. Loom typically provides screen recording, webcam recording, video sharing, and basic workspace functionality. To make recording easier, install the Loom desktop application or browser extension if available for your device. Click the new recording button and choose whether to record your screen, webcam, or both. This is where you'll create tutorials, presentations, feedback videos, or quick updates. Once your recording is finished, Loom automatically generates a shareable link. You can send this link to coworkers, clients, students, or friends. Use folders or workspace features when available to keep your recordings organized. This becomes especially useful as your video library grows. Take a moment to review any limits that apply to the free plan. Knowing what's included will help you decide whether the free version meets your needs. And that's how to use Loom for free in 2026. With a free account, you can create professional screen recordings, share videos instantly, and improve communication without paying for expensive software. So start recording and see how Loom fits into your workflow. Thanks for watching.